What's good, BFM? This is Big Tone coming at you from Big Tone Productions, Beats and Feast. You know what time it is. It's time for another cooking video, and today we're going to do a burger. Not just any old burger. We're doing an Italian sausage burger. So guys, it's a great alternative to a regular burger. Not something you have all the time. But hey, just sit back, relax, grab your popcorn, whatever you got to snack on, and enjoy the video. If you like it, make sure you like, comment, subscribe, turn on your post notifications. Make sure you share the video. Let's get started with the Italian sausage burger. Okay guys, so the supporting cast, pretty simple. We got our hot Italian sausage. It's not hot to the point where it's going to hurt your mouth, but it's got a lot of spices in there that we didn't want to add. We just want to keep those in there. We got some onions and red pepper cut up, just in julienne strips. Some salt and pepper to taste. A little bit of basil. This is going to be for the sauce. Garlic for the sauce. A little bit of mayo for the sauce. We got some provolone cheese, keeping with the Italian theme. And then I got some brioche buns here from the store. We're going to toast those up a little bit on the griddle. By the way, we're going to do this on the Steelmadeusa griddle. If you want one of those, I'll explain in the video. So, nothing else but let's get started with it. We're over here at the Steelmadeusa griddle. If you want one of these guys, it's real simple. All you got to do is click on the first link in my description. It'll take you to the website. And you enter Big Tone, the number 5 Big Tone, as your coupon code. Once you purchase what you want, it'll give you 10% off of it. I love this thing, as you guys probably know. I do a lot of videos on this, so go check it out. Tell them Big Tone sent you. So let's get started with this. On this back eye back here, we're going to put my onions and red peppers back here. We're going to get those started. Just let them stew for a minute. And a little added touch, I'm doing some french fried potatoes over here. That's not really part of the video, I'm just cooking it for dinner. But I'm doing it in a pot on the flat top. So you can use pots and pans on it. Alright, so let's just let these two get started. Let the onions and the red peppers get nice and caramelized. And we'll season those up here in just a second before we start on the actual burgers. In the meantime, we're going to go over here and season our burger and create our sauce. The hot Italian sausage, like I said earlier, already has a lot of the seasoning they use for sausage in it. So that we don't have to put a lot. Only thing we have to put some salt and pepper. So a little dab of salt, pink Himalayan sea salt, you know how I get down. And just some fresh pepper. That's it. We're going to mix these up real quick. Get everything incorporated before we make our patties. That's really it. It's probably going to make about 3, maybe 4 patties. But we're going to leave that right there. Start on our sauce for our burger. So for the sauce, real simple. A little bit of mayo. And we're going to add just a tad bit of garlic, maybe about a half a teaspoon. And the kicker on this one is some fresh basil in there. Ooh, it's going to give some flavor to it. Alright, we're going to put in just a little bit of vegetable oil into that. Just a tad bit of vegetable oil. And of course we got to have some salt and pepper. Pink Himalayan. Some black pepper. And we're just going to mix that up. Just like that. Let me give it a little taste here. Oh yeah, that's gonna go nice. Just gonna set that aside. We're gonna let our onions and bell pepper cook. Alright, so we're gonna season up our bell pepper and our onions just with a little salt and pepper back here. A little salt. And a little black pepper. Get those mixed in there real good. Go over here and form my patties. We're gonna get those on the griddle. Because the onions and peppers are looking nice. It's time for the burger. So we're gonna go ahead and put these on. I got 3 nice patties here. Put those on with just a little bit of vegetable oil. And I'm gonna move my peppers and onions to the middle because they're just about done. So they don't, just to keep them warm in there. Alright. Now, one of the most important parts of the making an Italian sausage sandwich is our burger, is that you gotta cook the internal temp to 145. So it's good to have a meat thermometer to make sure you can check that. But it's gonna be a minute, so we're gonna let them cook. I'll be back in a minute. Burgers have been cooking for a minute. We're gonna flip them. Ah, there we go. Yeah, that's what I'm talking about. Getting a little of that crust. Alright, we're just gonna let those cook. In about 5 or 10 minutes, I'll take the temperature, see where we're at. Alright guys, it's about that time. We're gonna go ahead and toast our buns back here. On the back, I got a little butter set down. Just gonna place our buns and let them heat up. Get a nice little crust on them. And the burgers are still cooking. We're gonna probe them and try to get a temp from them right now. Ideal temp, 145. That burger is actually looking pretty good. Do this one over here. Right at 145. But we're gonna let these cook for a little bit longer. Alright, so we're gonna put our cheese on here. Cover them up, get them nice and melted. Alright, so we're gonna throw our provolone cheese on each one. Just like that. And we're gonna cover them up. Get that cheese nice and melted. Look at that cheese nicely melted on there. So I'm going to do my buns up, put my sauce on them, and we're going to place these on the bun itself. I'm going to move these to the middle. Ooh, look at that cheese. Stop the cooking, a little bit of the cooking process. Italian sausage burger, great alternative to a regular beef burger. A little bit of French fries. Got my red bell pepper and onions on there. Whoo! You know what I'm waiting for? I'm waiting for that bite. Hey guys, give me a second. Let me get it. Good old Italian sausage burger on a brioche bun. Little French fries that I made. Whoo! It's a nice alternative, like I said, to regular burger. If you want one of the Steelmade USA griddles, just click on the link in my description. Take you to the website. You enter the number 5, Big Tone, and it'll give you 10% off your order. But hey guys, you know what I'm waiting for? I'm waiting for that bite, and I know it's going to be a messy one. Oh man. This is a must try. You gotta try this at home. But hey guys, if you like this video, make sure you like, comment, subscribe, turn on your post notifications, make sure you share the video, and hey, this is Big Tone signing off. Peace.